What is up, guys? Today we're going to check out the Plasma series case from UAG for the Galaxy Note 9. Let's go. Welcome back to this channel, and if you have one of the Galaxy Note phones, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're always making videos on the Galaxy Note 4, Note 5, Note 8, and now the Galaxy Note 9. Getting to this case is going to bring you a rugged but slimmer design with a unique look that is going to add protection to your Galaxy Note 9. Overall feel of this case, it feels good on the hand. It has very good grip. On the back, you have the harder outer shell, which is going to add additional protection. Also, this case is not going to be so heavy. The inside of the case, you're going to have the honeycomb design, which is going to allow it to be a little bit lighter. It's going to give you additional protection on the corners. As you can see, the design is going to add extra protection in case your phone happens to hit the ground on one of the corners. The impact resistant is not going to cover just the back and the corners. In the front, you're going to have the lips on top and bottom. So in case you happen to slide your phone down the floor, it's going to add additional protection, which is going to keep the screen from getting scratched. Or if you just want to sit your phone face down on the table, that's going to keep the screen from touching the tabletop. When it comes to the buttons, they're pretty clickable, very responsive, no issues there. I noticed that the power button, the big shift button, have the unique design. They have this different kind of pattern on it compared to the volume rockers. One thing to notice is that the buttons don't stand out from the rest of the edge of the case. I see maybe a little bit of inconvenience at the beginning as you're getting used to the case, but eventually once I got used to it, I'm able to find the power button, the volume rockers pretty easy. Cut out for the fingerprint sensor, and the camera's right on point. I'm able to get the fingerprint sensor every time with no issues. All your input, output ports, the cutout is perfect. When it comes to the stylus pen, which is very important for the Galaxy Note 9, you want to be able to get to your stylus pen with no issues, and this case offers that any day. You can actually get your finger in there, pop the stylus pen out, get it back in there, no issues. So shout out for them to doing a great job when it comes to the stylus pen cutout. But now let's move into the front. This case is going to offer you the minimum obstruction of the screen, top, bottom, left, and right, allowing you to have that infinity display experience. If we look at it through an angle, you can still see the curves of the screen. The actual case does not block that experience. If you want to use the edge menu, there's no issues there, very responsive. The case does not get on the way. From top to bottom, again, if you want to bring your menu down, the top lip is not going to get on the way. The same on the bottom lip. This case is going to allow you to bring your app drawer up with no issues. Also, this case is going to be compatible with Samsung Pay, and when it comes to wireless charging, works just fine. This particular case is a clear transparent design. It's called Ice. Also, if you want to pick up another design, it's called Ash. That one's going to be more of a grayish color, but in my opinion, for the ocean blue, I think the clear will look much better. Now, my final thoughts. Now, this is going to be one of those premium cases that's going to run you about $40. That's going to last you a long time. You're not expected for the clear, the white to get yellow over time. This design is going to offer you the grip, the protection that you need for the Galaxy Note 9 at a slimmer, good looking design. But I'd love to hear what you have to say. What is your experience? I'm pretty sure you guys have used one of these cases before, so let us know in the comment section below what is your experience, your thoughts, or any questions you may have about it. I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. Again, consider subscribing to this channel if you have one of the Galaxy Note phones, and let me know what you want to see about any of the Galaxy Note phones or anything about the Galaxy Note 9. Thank you for watching. Make sure you smash the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.